Hi everyone and welcome to Oren's Cooking. Today I'm going to do something a bit different. So we're going to make a caramel latte. So I'll show you how I do it. First thing first, we're going to take some coffee or espresso, whatever you want. So I take 2 teaspoons of that. And I'm going to use my syrup. I have some caramel syrup. You can use brown sugar if you like. So normally you use 2 teaspoons. I'm just going to pour a little bit in and another one, and we're going to boil some water. Alright, now that my hot water is boiled, I'm just going to put a tiny bit of hot water just to melt this all up, and then I'm going to use my creamer just to cream this all together. Now that it's thickened up, I'm just going to pour some milk into my cup. Not all the way, but about just enough to add the thing that we just mixed. We're gonna pour it on top, just like that, and then we're gonna mix this up again. And that's it. That's how it looks like. A caramel latte.